Hello students, welcome to the next video of differential equation. In today's video we are going to see the classification of differential equation. That means how to solve differential equation. So classification of differential equation depends on their order and linearity. In this two ground, order and linearity, we can classify the differential equation. So classification of differential equation according to their order. So first order differential equation and higher order differential equation. So first order differential equation are those in which only the first order derivative of the dependent variable occurs. So if there is only dy upon dx, then it is known as a first order differential equation. Then higher order means 2 or more than 2. Okay, so differential equations of order 2 or more than referred as higher order differential equation. Then solution of a differential equation, a function which satisfies the given differential equation is called its solution. Then there are two types of solution, general and particular solutions of a differential equation. So the solution which contains arbitrary constants is called the general solution. Okay. Then the solution free from arbitrary constant, that is the solution obtained from the general solution by giving particular values to the arbitrary constant, is called a particular solution of the differential equation. That means general solution means in that there is an arbitrary constant, there is a variable. Then particular solution means we are substituting x and y values. Okay, we are substituting the particular value and then we are getting the solution. So that solution is known as a particular solution. So first we get the general solution. In general solution, after substituting the values, particular value, we get the particular solution. So from general solution we come to particular solution by substituting the value. Now let us see some example. So first example is, show that y square is equal to ax square is a solution of x dy upon dx whole square minus 2y dy upon dx plus ax equal to 0. Okay, so we have to show that y square equal to ax square is a solution of this given differential equation. So that means this y square is equal to ax square must satisfy this equation. Okay, so for that let's see. So first we have this y square is equal to ax square. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of y square as 2y dy upon dx, that is equal to derivative of ax square, so a constant, into derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, so dy upon dx, that is equal to 2ax upon 2y, so 2 cancel, so that is equal to ax upon y. Okay, now we will substitute this value in right hand side. Okay, so now you can see that left hand side of this differential equation is x into dy upon dx whole square minus 2y dy upon dx plus ax. Okay, so I am taking this left hand side. Okay, in this I am substituting dy upon dx. dy upon dx is ax upon y. So I am substituting dy upon dx as ax upon y. So now that will be x into a square x square upon y square minus 2ax, right? This dy upon dx is ax upon y. So y cancel. So 2ax plus ax. Okay, minus 2ax plus ax, so that is equal to minus ax. Okay, then this term will be a, I'm substituting y square as ax square, so this denominator y square will be ax square. So now x square cancel, 1 a cancel, so this term is only ax minus 2 ax, then plus ax. Okay, so that is equal to 0, which is a right hand side. So this solution means this y square is equal to ax square. This solution satisfy the given differential equation. When we substitute the solution value for dy upon dx in left hand side, we get to right hand side as 0. Okay, so that's why this y square is equal to ax square is a solution of given differential equation. Now let's see the second example. So second example is verify that y is equal to log x is a solution of the differential equation. Okay, now y is equal to log x is a solution of the differential equation is given as x into d2y upon dx square plus dy upon dx equal to 0. Okay, so now we are going to differentiate this y is equal to log x twice. Why twice? Because dy upon dx and d2y upon dx square, right? Second order derivative is there, so we have to differentiate this twice. Okay, so now let's start. Y is equal to log x, so differentiating with respect to x, we get dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon x. Now I am taking this x on left hand side, so it will be x dy upon dx equal to 1. Now again differentiating with respect to x. Now in this I have to apply u into v rule, so x into derivative of dy upon dx, which is d2y upon dx square, plus dy upon dx into derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1 is equal to derivative of 1. Derivative of 1 means derivative of constant, and derivative of constant is 0. So finally I am getting x d2y upon dx square plus dy upon dx equal to 0, and this is nothing but the required differential equation, as you can see here. Okay, so with this solution I am getting the differential equation as x d2y upon dx square plus dy upon dx equal to 0. Hence y is equal to log x is a solution of this differential equation. Okay, now let's see the next example is verify that y is equal to sin log x is a solution of differential equation x square d2y upon dx square plus x dy upon dx plus y equal to 0. Okay, now y is equal to sin log x. So y is equal to sin log x. When we differentiate this, we get dy upon dx is equal to derivative of sin log x cos log x into derivative of log x, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Okay, now again I am taking this 1 upon x on left hand side, so it will be x dy upon dx equal to cos log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, so here again I have to apply u into v rule, so x into derivative of dy upon dx, so that will be d2y upon dx square plus dy upon dx into derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1, that is equal to derivative of cos log x. Derivative of cos log x minus sin log x into derivative of log x 1 upon x. Okay, now again I am taking this 1 upon x on left hand side. So that will be x into this whole term, means x d2y upon dx square plus dy upon dx. Okay, that is equal to minus sine log x. Okay, now when we multiply the whole term with x, we get x square d2y upon dx square plus x dy upon dx equal to minus, and this whole term is y. So on right hand side we get minus y. So the term is x square d2y upon dx square plus x dy upon dx plus y equal to 0, which is the required differential equation. Okay, so now since y is equal to sine log x, satisfy the given differential equation, hence y is equal to sine log x is a solution of given differential equation. Now see the next example. Next example is verify that y is equal to a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x is a solution of d2y upon dx square minus y equal to 0. Okay, now the relation is y is equal to, okay, y is given as a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x, where a and b are arbitrary constants. Okay, now we are going to differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to a e raised to x minus b e raised to minus x, right? A is constant, so that will be as it is. Then derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, then plus b. Okay, then e raised to minus x, derivative of e raised to minus x will be e raised to minus x into minus 1. Okay, so that will be a minus b e raised to minus x. Now again differentiating with respect to x, so derivative of dy upon dx is d2y upon dx square, a constant, so it will remain as it is. Then derivative of e raised to x will be e raised to x, then minus b as it is. Okay, then derivative of e raised to minus x will be e raised to minus x into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 1, and hence we get minus minus as plus, plus b e raised to minus x. Okay, now see carefully this whole term a e raised to x plus b raised to minus x, and this is nothing but y, right? This is a y term, as you can see here, it is a y. So I am writing this as y. So finally I am getting d2y upon dx square minus y is equal to 0, and this is the required differential equation. Okay, so by differentiating this solution I am getting this differential equation. Hence y is equal to a e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x is a solution of d2y upon dx square minus y equal to 0. So with this I am concluding this video. Thank you students.